Hello. This is Alicia Connor, registered dietitian and chef, here to continue the conversation about how I truly believe meal planning is within the robust program of time management. You know, I wish there should be some sort of class about time management and to help us figure out like how to break down our time and how to maximize like the best use of it. Not to put too much pressure on us, because I know we have high expectations of our lives, but or we want to do a lot, right? Like we want to whatever you want to do, right? Like some people want to travel, some people want to make sure to do certain things, right? Accomplish certain things professionally, personally, whatever, right? And we have, I didn't want to downplay our time at all because it's precious, but we have 168 hours per person per week. And it's just really helpful to think about how to maximize on this time. And I really think that meal planning could be part of this. And so just little things like when you're in the kitchen to cook another thing. Like you're making a snack, instead of just making what you need for right now, making a little bit more. And that could be anything, right? Like if you're making scrambled eggs, why don't you put some hard-boiled eggs on so that you can make egg salad tomorrow for lunch? Or have hard-boiled egg with whatever for a snack. The little things, like just a little bit more, a couple more minutes, like a thought. Thinking about your future self a little bit more often will really help. So I think that if you spend like a first step in doing this, and this is what I teach in my meal planning program, is how you will create your own meal planning system that goes through the whole calendar of seasons and, add in seasonality to your meal planning recipes and everything as you go through the year after year, right? Because each month brings its own different nuance, right? Or challenges, whatever you want to call them. And I think thinking about yourself at the beginning of the month, it's the beginning of September 2021, thinking about your plans over the next month or 6 weeks of how you could set yourself up for success and do a little bit more meal planning. And that could be just scheduling in 15 minutes a week on like what that looks like. And like deciding, like, are you gonna do Taco Tuesdays? Are you gonna, have theme nights for dinner? Or whatever resonates with you right now. Just, I encourage you to be decisive. Being decisive and taking action a little bit more often about meal planning is where it's at. So I'll see you tomorrow with another tip about meal planning, and I hope you documented when you're going to do a little bit of meal planning in 15 minutes once a week. Go schedule it now. Your future self will love you that much more for it. Okay, see you tomorrow with more tips about meal planning. Toodaloo.